teach you how to send a test email from Canva to preview your email design before sending it to real recipients. First, open Canva in your browser. Make sure you're signed in and on a stable connection so your edits save and your test sends smoothly. From your dashboard, open the email design you want to test. This could be a newsletter, a promo announcement, or any email layout you've already created. Give the design a quick glance to confirm you're on the right file and that the latest changes are visible in the editor. At the top right of the editor, look for the Send Test Email option. It's usually near the Share and Publish controls. Click it to open the Send panel. When prompted, enter your own email address. Use an inbox you can check easily and, ideally, one that you can view on both desktop and mobile so you get a realistic sense of how the design will appear across devices. Click Send to deliver a test version to your inbox. You might see a brief confirmation in Canva. Give it a moment to arrive. Sometimes it can take a minute. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or promotions folders just in case. Open your inbox and review the test email carefully. Focus on layout, text, and images. Focus on layout, text, and images. Make sure your headings are aligned, spacing is consistent, and fonts are readable. Scan for typos and clarity in your message. Confirm that images load correctly, look crisp, and are sized appropriately so they don't push important content too far down the page. If your design includes buttons or visual cues to link out, ensure they're clearly labeled and visually prominent so recipients know what to do next. Take a quick look on your phone as well to make sure everything stacks nicely and nothing appears too small or cut off. If you spot anything that needs fixing, go back to Canva and make your edits. Adjust spacing, tweak colors, refine text, or swap images as needed. Small changes, like increasing contrast or adding a bit more padding around elements, can make a big difference in readability. Once you're satisfied with how the test looks, you're ready to move forward. You can send the email to real recipients using Canva's built-in email feature, or export the design and use it within your existing email platform. Choose the path that fits your workflow and audience needs. And that's it. That's how you send a test email from Canva to make sure everything looks perfect before sending it to your audience. Thanks for watching.